Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be tackling the upper cabinets where I keep all the food and stuff in because it's overflowing. It's been long overdue and I'm going to be doing a lot of cleaning and organizing. So technically I'm organizing the pantry. It's not really a pantry, but that's where the food are. So let's get into it. I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like now and what the counter is currently looking like, because at this point it is so full. I have no space in there. I have to stack things on top of each other, and some of the remaining stuff are on the countertops because I just can't fit in there. So I need to tackle it like yesterday. So this is what it looks like, and it was worse than this because I had to take some out, and I've been using what's on the counter and over there, and that's what that. So if you guys are new here and you want to see more videos like this, please do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. I love you guys and thank you so much for being here with me. Now let's get right into it. There's things in here that I totally forgot, like this lemonade. I love this thing. Is that what it's called? I don't know. And I'm also checking to see what's expired and what's not. So anything that's expired, I'm gonna obviously throw it away. It's not gonna go back in there. But I am so happy to be getting this done. I cannot believe how bad it was in here as far as getting things in and having nowhere to put the stuff. I'm so glad this is done.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from.
So this cabinet is where we keep all the vitamins, the protein shake, flour, sugar, rice. Well, not rice. Well, extra. All the extra stuff that's not in canisters. That's where it's kept, and nuts and stuff. But if you guys are new here, my name is Tarisha. I'm a wife and a stay-at-home mom of two beautiful girls. I have a 5-year-old and a 2-year-old, and on this channel you can find tons of cleaning motivations on Saturdays at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and on Tuesdays I upload a shop with me where I browse the store and show you guys what's new at the store for that week and the prices that's included. And you can watch that video every Tuesday 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And yeah, but the schedule is linked in my bio. If you enjoy content like this and want to see more, definitely please do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. And I realized that just dumping the tea bags in the basket saves a whole lot more room and holds a ton more, as opposed to having them stand up straight. But this one is going in the back, and the one with the other one where I have them stand up straight is gonna be in the front.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth.
Guys, this was probably the most filthiest cabinet of all the cabinets because of the seasonings and all the spillings. But I was not in the mood of taking out everything and just reorganizing it because it was pretty decent and everything had a place. So I took out what was visible or what wasn't meant to be on that shelf, and I wiped it down and reorganized it. And this is what I'm left with, all these boxes and papers and everything that I'm going to be trashing. canned goods that I'm going to be tossing. This honey, I am so sad because this is organic honey that I have to toss and throw away. And I love these magnetic shelves that I found on Amazon. I believe they're linked in my Amazon storefront. You can go ahead and check them out. They are so useful. They hold a ton and they can go in on any magnetic area in your home. So your refrigerator, your deep freezer, your washing machine, dryer, anything, stove, to you name it, and they can hold even your cleaning products, anything that you need extra storage for, you can definitely fit on them. So I love them, they're so useful.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out.
This video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you enjoy this content, please share it with somebody who might need some more motivation. And I hope you found this motivating. Until next time, guys, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous day. I love you guys, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. See you guys Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for another cleaning motivation video. Tuesday is my shop with me. The schedule is in my bio, so you never miss a beat. Oh, and I have a bonus video for next week Thursday, so you don't want to miss it. It's a fall DIY video with a bunch of amazing people. So see you guys then.